channel! For today's recipe, I will be cooking my version of super creamy Filipino chicken curry. Please continue watching and I will show you how I make it. Let's start by seasoning the washed clean chicken. In a small bowl, combine the salt, the curry powder, and the ground pepper. Then mix. Then wrap to the chicken, then set it aside for about 15 minutes. Let's make a turmeric juice. Put in a food processor or blender the sliced turmeric and a bit of water, then crush until finely chopped. And then using a strainer to get all the turmeric juice, then set aside. Heat a pan, then add a cooking oil, then sear all the seasoned chicken until brown. Then do this with the rest of the seasoned chicken. Here's the rest of the seared chicken, then set it aside. Remove some excess fats from searing the chicken. Pan fry the wedges sliced onion. Fry until softened, then set it aside. We're going to add this when making the creamy curry sauce. Let's start sautéing the garlic and the ginger until aromatic, then add the chopped onions. Season with freshly ground pepper. Then add the rest of the curry powder that you like to add. I only added 1 tablespoon, but you can add more as you like. After a good sauté of the curry powder, add the turmeric juice that we prepared, followed by the fish sauce. Please do not stir the mixture after adding the fish sauce, or else your sauce will be taste fishy. When the strong odor of the fish sauce evaporated, then add the coconut milk. Allow to boil before adding the seared chicken. After 10 minutes, flip the other side of the chicken for evenly distribute the flavor of the sauce. Then add the potatoes. After 10 minutes again, for a total of 20 minutes cooking the chicken, you can now add the rest of the ingredients. The carrots, the pan-fried onions, the jalapeno or siling haba. You can also add green bell peppers, the red bell peppers, the bay leaves, and the coconut cream or kakanggata. And to enhance the chicken flavor, I added chicken cube or chicken powder. By the way, also added evaporated milk or fresh milk to make the sauce more creamer. Our family loves saucy curry. After 15 minutes, I check all the ingredients. The chicken is tender now and the rest of the ingredients are all soft now. So I'm adding vinegar to extend the life of the chicken curry. Just like the fish sauce, please don't stir the mixture. Allow the strong sour odor of the vinegar evaporate first. For the final flavoring, this is an optional step. I'm adding all-purpose seasoning to enhance the umami flavors. If you have an allergy to this, you can also add brown sugar instead. And then taste and add salt and pepper according to your likings. To add kick of spice, I'm adding big dash of chili flakes, or you can also add siling labuyo or wild chilies if you like. Then I turn off the heat and mount the curry sauce with the unsalted butter. Yummy! Here's my creamy Filipino chicken curry. Yummy! Hello, Kayami! Okay, we're gonna try this yummy-licious creamy Filipino chicken curry. Let's get toppings. May bone pa. Tastes good, so creamy because of the butter. And of course, evaporated milk. And the coconut cream. Up. That's it. It's good. So creamy. Perfecto. Please try this, guy. It's good, creamy, and yummy. Bye.